Now you are welcome to this video. In this video, okay, I'm going to be showing you how to know if your Google ads is running. Okay, if your Google search ads, I'm talking about Google search ads, is running already, and how to know it is showing in the search result. You've created your ad is approved, and you will start going to Google to search. Maybe your advert will come up with the keyword you have used in your ads. Instead of doing that, there is a tool right here in this Google ad dashboard, which I'm going to review to you. Do you understand? So all you need to do right now is hit that like button right now. Do that thing right now immediately. It's a command. Drop your comment, okay, and subscribe to this channel. So let's get right into it. This is the dashboard. The next thing you want to do right now is click on tools and settings. You're going to see tools and settings. Look at this place I'm highlighting. Click on it, and the next thing you actually want to click on is go to the planning section. You're going to see this place, this planning, at the left hand side of the screen, and you're going to see something like ad preview and diagnosis. Okay, you want to click on that. So once you click on that, the next page is going to actually load. Let's wait for it. So here is the next page, and you are actually going to see something. Okay, you're going to see a box here which says enter a search term. You're going to see location, okay, English, device, users not in your audience. Don't worry, I'm going to share you something. Now you're going to see in this dashboard, you're going to see something like enter any search term to get started. Preview a Google search result page to see if your ads appear. So let's say, for instance, now you've created your ad. I'm not going to do much on this place. Let's just say, for instance, you created your ad, and out of your advert, or the thing you set in your advert, the keyword you set in your advert for people to search and see your Google search ads is maybe Facebook ads. Okay, once you do this kind of thing, then the location, let's say for instance you target only Nigeria. Do you understand? Now you can just edit it. Click on this pencil icon and enter the location. Maybe if it's Nigeria, you enter Nigeria. Okay, you select Nigeria, and if you target more countries, you could just select the country or whatever. If you target United States, just input it, and you're going to see United States here. Do you understand? So let's just leave it in that United States. Whatever location you targeted in your advert, just check it individually. Now in the language you targeted English, right? Leave it like that. In the mobile device, maybe you want to check if those who are using phone are actually seeing it. You're going to check mobile, desktop, or tablet. Do you know that, to see how they are? Don't worry, if you have problem with this, you can actually chat me on WhatsApp. Do you understand? Or use my Twitter handle below. Do you understand? Click on the Twitter link, and you'll be able to follow my profile on Twitter and send me an inbox there. Do you understand? Now I respond more quickly in that place. Are you getting it now? So once you do that, then you are going to see something here. If your ad is not showing, you're going to see your ad is not showing review of what you're actually seeing. You see the preview here, and you see if your ad is actually showing. Do you understand? They are going to tell you here, and you will see the preview of it. So if you need more clarification, you can chat me on WhatsApp. If you're in Nigeria and you have problem in paying for your Google ads, just chat me on WhatsApp right now. I'll be able to review how to set up your Google ads payment very carefully, so that you not get banned. You will not get banned. Do you understand? Either you are trying to run YouTube ads or Google ads, it's not for free. It's not for free. Just come to my WhatsApp and I will mentor you on that. Do you understand? I am very serious here. You can first 1,000 people to follow this Twitter account and like a tweet, send me an inbox. Do you understand? We get a free course from me on how to make money on YouTube with just 50 to 100 subscribers. Do you understand? Now you don't need 1,000 subscribers to make money on YouTube. I'm going to show you that free course. Do you understand? It's a free training. Okay, I will elaborate more on it. So just follow this Twitter account, chat me on WhatsApp if you have any problem with your Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, payment method, whatever, targeting, because that is the heart of your advert. Just come to me and I'll be able to solve that problem for you. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Subscribe, alaye, subscribe. Thank you.